How to rotate Wi-Fi address on iPhone. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to rotate your Wi-Fi address on iPhone. So let's dive in. You can just open your control center by dragging the top right corner downwards and just choosing your Wi-Fi by long pressing it, or you can just go to your settings and open your Wi-Fi. Now once you're on your Wi-Fi, you simply have to scroll down, and here you'll find this option that says private Wi-Fi address. This is the same for rotate Wi-Fi address. You can just either find rotate Wi-Fi address or private Wi-Fi address. These are the same things. They are going to do the same thing. So you will see rotate Wi-Fi address on your updated iOS 18, or if you have a lower update, you'll see private Wi-Fi address. You simply have to click and turn it on. It's going to just help you reduce tracking of your iPhone across different Wi-Fi networks, and that's how you rotate your Wi-Fi address on iPhone in iOS 18. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.